Leo was on the kitchen floor, kicking the cabinet, face completely red, and I was standing 2 feet away from him, totally frozen. Not because I was angry, because I genuinely did not know what to do with my hands. Do I pick him up? Do I talk? Do I leave the room? Do I just wait? Nobody had ever actually told me what to do in that moment, and I realized everything I'd read about meltdowns told me what not to do. Nobody gave me the actual play-by-play. So I went and found it, and that's what this video is. Before the steps. One thing first, because it changes how you use these steps. A meltdown runs on its own schedule. It has a beginning, a middle, and an end. And that end is going to happen whether you do everything right or not. Your job isn't to stop it. Your job is to get through it without making it longer or scarier for both of you. These 6 steps aren't a magic off switch. They're more like a map. You know where you are, you know what comes next, and you stop guessing. That alone, just not guessing, makes a huge difference. Step 1. The first 5 seconds. When it starts, your instinct is going to pull you toward doing something immediately. Talking, touching, fixing. Don't. Give yourself 5 seconds first. Not to ignore your child. You're still there, they can see you. But those 5 seconds let your own body catch up with what's happening. When kids melt down, parents spike too. Heart rate up, breathing faster, jaw tight. If you move from that place, you're going to react instead of respond. 5 seconds. Breathe, then move. I started counting in my head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it sounds so small, but it genuinely changed what I did next. Step 2. Get on the floor. Once you've taken those 5 seconds, get down. Not to hold them, not to talk yet. Just get your body at the same level as theirs. Standing over a kid who's already overwhelmed makes everything worse. They look up and they see someone big, and their brain reads that as a threat, even if it's you. When I got on the floor next to Leo that day in the kitchen, he didn't stop crying, but he stopped kicking the cabinet. Just that, just the floor. Sit near them, not on top of them, near them. Close enough that they can feel you're there, but not so close that you're crowding them. Step 3. Shut up. Mostly. I say this with love because I had to learn it the hard way. When your child is mid-meltdown, their brain can't process language. It's not that they're ignoring you, it's that your words literally aren't landing. What they're picking up on is your tone and your energy. So long sentences, explanations, negotiations, all wasted. What does work? One short thing said softly once. I'm right here. I'm not leaving. I see you. Pick one. Say it once. Then stop talking. The silence feels wrong. It feels like you're doing nothing. But you're not doing nothing. You're giving their nervous system room to start coming down. Step 4. Wait for the signal before you touch. At some point, could be 2 minutes, could be 8, something shifts. The crying gets quieter. The breathing changes. Leo always got the hiccups right before he started coming back. Every kid has their own signal. You'll learn yours. That's when you offer touch, not before. Touching too early can actually spike everything back up. Their body is still flooded, and the physical contact is just more input on top of too much input. When you see that shift, put your hand on the floor near them, palm up, or put a hand lightly on their back. Don't grab, don't pull them into a hug. Let them choose to come toward you. When Leo finally grabbed my hand that day, he was still sniffling. but the meltdown was over. Step 5. Put a word on it. Once they've physically settled, and only then, say out loud what they were feeling. Not a question, not a lesson, just a statement. You were really, really mad that I turned off the TV. It felt really unfair that we had to leave. You wanted that so much and you couldn't have it. That's it. There's actual research behind this. UCLA published a study showing that labeling an emotion out loud reduces the intensity of that emotion in the brain. It doesn't feel logical, but it works. One sentence, then stop. You're not teaching them a lesson right now. That part comes later, when everyone is calm and fed and it's been at least an hour. Right now, you're just helping their brain land. Step 6. Come back together. After Leo's meltdowns, we have a thing. We go to the couch, I get him a cup of water. We sit there and don't really talk. Sometimes he falls asleep. Sometimes he just leans on me. It started because I didn't know what else to do. But I've come to think it's actually the most important part. A meltdown is a big physical event for a small body. It costs them a lot. And when it's over, what they need most is to feel like everything between you is still okay. Not a debrief, not consequences, not, do you understand what you did? Just, we're okay. You're okay. I'm still here. That reconnection is what tells their nervous system the world is safe again. And the more consistently they feel that from you after a hard moment, the more their brain learns that hard moments are survivable. Recap. Here's the whole thing, start to finish. 1. Give yourself 5 seconds before you do anything. 2. Get on the floor, same level as them. 3. Say one short thing, then go quiet. 4. Wait for the shift before you touch. 5. Name the feeling out loud once. 6. Sit together after. Don't rush the reconnect. Screenshot that if you want it. It works.
I want to say something before you go. The first time I tried this with Leo, I got through maybe 3 of the 6 steps before I lost it and raised my voice. The second time, I got to 4. It takes practice. And the practicing happens during the hardest moments, which is not exactly ideal. But here's what I know after doing this for a while. The meltdowns didn't stop. Leo is 4. They're not going to stop. What changed is how long they last, and what happens between us after. He trusts me more now during the hard stuff, not because I became a perfect parent, just because he learned I'm not going to disappear when things get loud. That's the whole thing, honestly. That's all any of this is really about.
This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute medical or psychological advice. Always consult a licensed pediatrician or child development specialist for your child's specific needs.